In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use PlayStation 4 controller on Assetto Corsa PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use any DualShock 4 controller that you have with Assetto Corsa on PC. To do this, you will have to download an additional tool. First, I actually recommend that you try just plug and play. So, plug your PlayStation 4 controller into your PC, make sure that it has been properly detected, and you will be able to see if it works. If it does work from the get-go, which it should, you don't have to go through these additional steps. But assuming that you have already tried to use a controller and it doesn't work, then follow along. What you will have to download is DS4 Windows. As the name suggests, this is a tool that automatically sets up any DualShock 4 or DualSense controllers that you connect to your PC. Because most PC games have trouble translating the inputs from these controllers, this tool is going to take care of that. So go over to ds4-windows.com, you can click Get Started and follow here through the instructions if you are just curious on how this works, or you can just click Download to get the tool. Now extract it somewhere and you will be able to find this executable file here. Just open ds4windows.exe and by opening this, you will be able to see this interface. So the first thing that you will be asked to do is to install some drivers. Make sure that you download all of the necessary drivers before proceeding. Once that is done, you just have to go ahead and connect your DualShock 4 controller to your PC. You can also use a DualSense and afterwards you can click Start over here at the bottom right to make sure that it gets detected. Now sadly, I don't actually have a controller ready to display how it looks on screen, but you will be able to see it listed here. Now, once you switch over to profiles, the default profile will be in use, and like I said, this is going to be just usual buttons, but they will be translated so the game can actually pick up and recognize those inputs. But you can manually change all of these, including things like the dead zone, max zone, and so on. There is a lot to explore, but usually just leaving this on default will be enough. Now, all that you have to do is let this program run on the background while you play Assetto Corsa on PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to use PlayStation 4 controller on Assetto Corsa PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.